What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be back with a brand new golf vlog. We're going to be playing at one of the oldest golf courses in Taiwan. It's called Tamsui Golf Course, or Country Club I guess. So this course has actually been over 100 years and it's considered one of the toughest courses in Taiwan, I suppose. They hosted like an Asian tour a couple months ago, and the winner shot like 400 in 4 days. That shows you how tough this course is. And you can see it's actually kind of nice. It's one of those super traditional Japanese style course. It's pretty tight, as you can see. I don't know what I'm gonna shoot today. Barely play the last month or two, been busy. But my goal today, you know, anything 70s, I'll be happy with it. Playing with my dad today. Let's see how he's gonna do. That's a way to start with the par. So I head into the bunker right there at this putt for par. Hopefully I can make it. Finally, my first birdie putt. Let's go. So you kind of lay up on this hole, have like a 6-iron. So I have like 110 in. Ball's right there for birdie. Hopefully I can make it. The view is actually super nice. Too bad I didn't make the putt. Sitting at 1 over par. It's a little windy. It's kind of hot, I'm not gonna lie. And as you can see how tight this course, or this hole is. It's OB out of bounds on the left, and just freaking tree line. Trees waiting for you. If you miss it to the right, my ball might be in the bunker, but from that angle, it's a tough tee shot. Like the last time I played this course was like 10-11 years ago. It was in the summer. It was a golf tournament. Of course, it was actually a lot easier and shorter in the summer, but in the winter, I feel like this course is playing pretty tough, not gonna lie. Thinking my dad, does he have the golf magic? Whoa! Oh!
Good tracking. Oh. Go. See ya. 哦。
它有要求哦。
Right at it. Hole in one.
哦，嘎仔。
Let's fucking go. Yes, sir.
哇，终于 birdie。
Finally a birdie. Let's go. Back to even par. Let's see what my dad's gonna do. Rip.
毛嘴。
Was a bogey again, but it's okay. I shot 1 over, which I'm super happy. The goal today is to break 80, so I'm at 1 over. So I should be chilling.
哎呦，够吗？
You got houses, just new buildings, new houses over there. And I remember like 10, 12 years ago, nothing was there, something new. But yeah, I think this course is in a tremendous shape, a lot better than 10 years ago. This course is certainly one of the must play if you come to Taiwan. One of the oldest, or it is the oldest, and it's in a decent shape, not gonna lie.
伤大啦。
哇！
哦，
啊！
啊，危险。
后面被草带掉了，来右东内。进去。
My driver either goes left or right, man, all day long. Somehow I'm still like 2 over par, but most likely gonna bogey this hole. This hole's not kind of deep, not gonna lie. It's like a 460 monster par 4, kind of tight.
太左太右了。
应该会上吧。
That was a great shot, and the ball's right there. I'm like 5 yards short, all the way from the next hole. You know what? I might still ended up with the par. As you can see, it's getting dark, a little darker now. We got a par 5 coming up. Hopefully I can birdie.
Sweet, cook it.
Pushing it at least 20 yards every freaking single hole. Yeah.
Oh, good. Good.
I hit a great shot, apparently went over the green again. Man, I can't get the right distance today, I swear. Just have one birdie today. It's not wide, man. This course is actually super tight, but the sun is kind of going down. We got 2 more holes left. Hopefully we can get it done. Somehow got another par. Let's go.
Ah,
The fairway's over there. I don't know why you have to aim over there, but look at the view. Kinda nice. Apparently my ball went over again, and I feel like I'm just getting played by the course. It's kinda nice though.
Got it. Sweet.
That's it. Shot 76 today. I'm happy. 4 over par. I'm hitting like dog shit with my driver especially. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Follow my Instagram as well. See you soon. Peace.